Hello everyone. Today I'm going to talk about my composition in the digital skills from the topic scale and context. So this is the self-clicked image, which I clicked with the proper angles and the size. This is the background I selected. The first thing I did was extracted the mask from my image. So after this, I copied the image and made a and reduced the size of it. After doing this, I added the background at the back. So while when it I was adding the background, the second thing I did was rendering. I rendered my image according to the composition to make it look more realistic. So the first thing I did was reduce the noise. After reducing the noise, I added the filter gallery, and this was the output which came. So after doing this, I was feeling as if uh, it is not on the ground. I felt as if it is flying. So for doing this, I added grass. I downloaded the grass from Google and added over here. So after adding over here, then I decided to put the sun of coronavirus, which I thought of. This is the image I extracted from the Google image. And after this, I made some copies of it and added two or three more suns in it. After doing this, with the help of a brush tool, I removed the leaves to make it more realistic and to adjust it according to the size and the composition. Then I added with the same brush tool, I added the glowing effect on the composition. I added the glowing effect on the composition. So this is how it looked. After doing this, I decided to add shadow so that my tents will look more realistic and placed on the ground. So I added the shadow. After doing this, I decided to put the humans in the tent. So the after this, I added humans with the help of a brush tool. I hide the head of a girl. After this, for more realistic and more depth, I added more shadows on it according to the needed things. After doing this, the other thing was did was I added the lens on it to make it more clear. Lens on it to make it more clear. So this was the lens which I added with the help of lovely sir. After doing this, I decided to put the nails on my tent as it was shown in my pre-work. So I added the nails step by step. So these were the added nails, and this was the whole composition at last.